Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Carol Stream, local and long-distance movers near me. A moving trip that covers 100 miles or more is termed a long-distance move by moving industry standards, whether it's within a state or across state lines. We're capable of moving your belongings locally, statewide, and interstate. We're in good standings with the local and federal authorities in charge of all moves. Also, because we care about our customers and their possessions, we have insurance policies in place that cover risks and liabilities during and after your belongings are moved. We are the most reliable and dedicated movers and drivers who will deliver your possessions without manhandling them. All of our services are pocket-friendly with the best long-distance moving company prices, so don't stress about us ripping you off. Moving locally costs a lot less than moving long distance. We also offer even more reasonable rates of $30 to $40 an hour. Our licensed and committed local movers will give you the value for your money and comply with your requests and suggestions. We're familiar with large cities and urban areas, so we know how to move your possessions without any unwanted occurrence. We have the finest group of local movers who are always available to assist you in mapping out the moving process. Ask our clients in your locale for reviews and find that all of our clients are satisfied. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Carol Stream moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.